Let's make these Mawa and Kaju Laddoo with Gulkand and dry fruit center for Diwali. Take some warm milk and add few strands of saffron into it. Mix with a spoon and keep aside. Now heat a pan and add some ghee to it. Add the mawa and cook for a minute. Add ground cashew nuts along with saffron milk and cook again for a minute. Add sugar and cardamom powder and cook again until everything is mixed properly. Take it off from the heat and let it cool completely. Now in a bowl, take some gulkand and add some chopped nuts to it. Mix these properly to prepare the stuffing. Now take a spoonful of mawa batter, make a ball and flatten it. Create a cavity and fill it with the gulkand mixture. Close the edges with your fingers and roll into a ball. Prepare all laddoos in a similar way. Garnish with some chopped dry fruits in the end and then enjoy!